Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's GNS Designs Custom Wraps, and today I'm going to show you how to put Luxe film medium tint on the front of a headlight. I'm just going to go on a Tesla Model 3. So here we go. Stay tuned, hit that like, subscribe, notification button, and don't forget to hit your boy up and leave me a comment. So subscribing's free, it costs you nothing. But hey, anyways, let's go. Let's hit this. Alright, so I got my Luxe film right here. I already got it pre-cut. You can do both sides. Alright, so we're going to take this bad boy off right now. And what I'm going to do is just lay it over the top of it. It is very thin material too. The beautiful thing is about this Tesla right here is it'll be pretty easy to wrap right here. So I'm just going to lay it out real quick here. Pull that film out over there. I'm going to actually move this like here, kind of move it a little bit as soon as I get the thing to work to where I want it to, obviously. Spread it out as a Y pattern, kind of set my little spot up on here a little bit, kind of hold it in place where I want it. And do the same thing again, a little bit, don't need a lot of it pulled up. You know, it can be a little complicated at times. Spread it out a little bit, just like that. Put your finger up on here. Look at that. It's looking out real good. Okay. Same thing again. See the Y pattern. Pull it up. Put a little Y pattern right there. Hold it. Make sure it goes where I need it to. Because we don't want no wrinkles. We want it to look beautiful. Look at that. All right. Got a little bit of air right there, but we got that bad boy. Okay. Same thing right here. I'm gonna grab my little squeegee. So I'm gonna pull it just a little bit more. Just like so. Flip this bad boy around. All right. So I'm trying to do it all without heat. So if I can do it with all without heat, which I should be able to do, not a problem right here. Then I won't have to worry about it shrinking back, but I'm going to still heat it up a little bit. Then I'm going to lift this up right here in the bottom piece. Do my triangle right here, pull it out so it doesn't give me any issues, just like so. Look at that. All right, so we pretty much almost got this all wrapped up. And then we're going to trim it out, and this bad boy is all done. I'll show you guys in the next one how to do the tail lights too, okay? So we lift this up a tad bit. We already got this set up down here, so I'm going to take this part, kind of move it in like that. Alright. Same thing right here, lift up just a tad bit. Get all those wrinkles out. Do my little Y pattern, just like so. Look at that. Beautiful. Bring it up a little bit. So that way it goes in the corner real nice and easy. See? Like that. So now when I go to tuck it and cut it, I'll apply just a tad bit of heat so that way it goes wrapping in there and around it. But I'm going to do it real nice and slow. You always want to give yourself extra material. That way if something happens, you can work with it. Because the material's got to work with you. See, look at all this. If you had it like this, it's not going to go anywhere. Pull you right there. So if you have the material right here, it's not going to work too well. So it's easy. Lift it up a little bit. Let it do its little magic underneath here. Do sticking up and around here. And this corner piece, just around that corner right there. I'm gonna lift this bad boy up right here. Okay, so we tuck this bad boy up underneath there. Same thing here. Tuck that bad boy again. All the way around. Loosen it up just like so. So that way it feeds and sticks to the side because you don't want it to just, you don't want it to fail. That's the biggest thing about vinyl materials, you don't want it to fail. If it does fail, obviously you got a certain amount of time. You can come back to the shop and we'll get it all fixed for you. So here we go. So I got this bad boy all set up. So now I'm gonna take my knife, I'm gonna trim it up. See, I forgot where I put it, right over here. So I only need a little bit. So I'm just gonna come down here like this. And this, like I said, is a little narrow part right here. Sits nice and easy in between here. So you got the hood and the headlight. So I'll put that bad boy down inside, follow it along, because I don't really need a lot anyways. Cut it around, follow it still, looking good. I'm gonna stop right there. Do the same thing again, come down and around. Keep going, try not to stop. Same thing, go around the corner. So what I'm gonna do here actually is I'm gonna come back up here a tad bit where I started it. And then I'm gonna trim it away. Because I don't need this extra stuff. I like to pull this up right here a little bit. And I can take my squeegee right here. Push it down inside. Now look at this, I have not used any heat whatsoever so far. Okay, so that looks good. Everything's sticking really good. Let me grab my little tuck tool. I kind of like that better than squeegee because I'm not really wrapping the car, I'm tucking everything. So my little blue squeegee right here, tuck tool, just make sure it's all good right here. Come up and around makes it a heck of a lot easier. Same thing, push it down around the side right there. Looking good. Okay, do the same thing again. Pull up about right here as far as I want to go. Here we go, we got this bad boy. Push it down, push it down. All right, so now that's all set up right there. We do the same thing again. Start any which way the situation we go. So I want to go this way. Make sure I know where I want to cut. So I'm going to cut here, cut up a little high. And then do the same thing again. Come down here. Stop right there because that's where I started at. So, looks like cut high again. You can see where it's kind of like dragging a little bit, which means I gotta sharpen my knife. So I'm gonna go break that off real quick. All right, so I got my blade all sharpened again. I don't need much, just a little bit right there. Come down on the inside, works a lot better, I'll smooth that way. A lot smoother than when I had it. Tuck that bad boy up underneath there. Okay, we got that looking good. Same thing again, come down and around, use the body line. Okay, come up. So come down here, use part of the fender, come up and around, nice and smooth, take it easy. And voila. Tuck tool, tuck it down. Take your time and it'll look great. Right there, that's good too. We got part of that headlight piece right there, but move this around, and there we go. We have a headlight done on Luxe film. Looks good, right? What do you guys think? See all that up underneath there? It's all good. There's no bubbles, no wrinkles. It's all nice and smooth up underneath there. Besides a little dusty, but there you go. That's how you wrap a headlight on a Tesla Model 3 on Luxe Medium 10. So hit that like, subscribe, notification button, and leave me a comment. You know what to do. Like I said, next I'll show you how to do the tail lights on the Model 3. Till then, peace out. Catch you in the next video.